Welcome to my videos. MB910, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals, CRM, Questions and Answers Set 1. A company uses Dynamics 365 Marketing. The company uses a third-party app to send email surveys to prospects to better understand their business needs. There is currently no link to prospect records, and users report that the survey management process is manual and is difficult to manage. You need to automate the survey process and streamline collection and analysis of responses. What are two possible ways to achieve this goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Use customer voice to compile results from the existing third-party app. B. Use Power Automate to automatically send customer voice surveys. C. Create a survey in Dynamics 365 Marketing and create a campaign to send it to out and collect data. D. Use customer voice to collect and analyze survey results. E. Create surveys in Dynamics 365 Marketing by using questionnaire. Correct answer, D, E. A company sells and services clothing washing machines and dryers. The company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. You need to proactively monitor customers' equipment to identify problems and maintenance needs. Which two connected field service options can you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. A. Dynamics 365 Remote Assist Integration. B. Dynamics 365 Mobile App. C. Azure IoT Central. D. Azure IoT Hub. Correct answer, C and D. A company uses social media for marketing. The company wants to use out-of-the-box Dynamics 365 marketing functionality to streamline social media marketing. You need to determine the supported social media activities. Which action is supported? A. Get notified when a company is mentioned. B. Schedule a post to be published in the future. C. Analyze the sentiment of posts about a company. D. Automatically follow another account when a specified condition is met. Correct answer, B. A company implements Dynamics 365 customer service for their support desk. Agents resolve issues based on their own personal experiences, or they must try to recreate the problem. This is causing customer satisfaction issues as resolution time is longer than expected and not consistent. You need to implement a solution to improve consistency of answers and ensure that agents can share their answers. What should you implement? A. Service level agreements. B. Customer service insights. C. Power Automate to transfer cases. D. Knowledge base management. Correct answer, C. A potential customer delays their decision to commit to a big multi-year contract. You want to find other colleagues who have interacted with a potential customer to discuss strategies. Which app should you recommend? A. Customer Service Insights. B. Sales Insights. C. Power Virtual Agents. D. Market Insights. Correct answer, C. Which two components are included in Dynamics 365 Marketing? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Customer Voice Survey. B. Customer Service Hub. C. Enterprise Asset Management. D. Event Management. Correct answers, A and D. A company uses Dynamics 365 Marketing. Marketing team members must be able to group related customers for campaigns, market research, and surveys. What should you recommend? To answer, drag the appropriate features to the correct requirements. Each feature may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Select and place. Requirement: create a single campaign activity geared to a targeted audience. Feature marketing list only. Requirement: create groups of related customers for use in customer journeys. Feature marketing segment or marketing list. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 Marketing. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. You can only query across accounts, leads, and marketing lists when building segments. Statement no. You can use quick campaigns with both marketing lists and marketing segments. Statement no. A company integrates LinkedIn Campaign Manager with Dynamics 365 Marketing. Which two actions can the company perform using out-of-the-box features? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Generate leads from LinkedIn. B. Create email templates for LinkedIn messages. C. Schedule and publish social posts. D. Create and publish events on LinkedIn. Correct answer, A, C. A company has implemented Dynamics 365 Marketing. You need to implement apps to meet the company's business requirements. Which app should you use? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Scenario: collect feedback on the effectiveness of a marketing campaign. App: Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. Scenario: synchronize leads from LinkedIn to Dynamics 365 Marketing. App: LinkedIn Campaign Manager. Scenario: create a unified view of customer data from different sources. App: Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. A company plans to synchronize LinkedIn Campaign Manager with Dynamics 365 Marketing to determine who is looking at their LinkedIn advertisements. What happens during synchronization? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. If a sales lead that is synchronized from LinkedIn already exists, Dynamics 365 Marketing updates the current lead with the LinkedIn data. Which features are available in Dynamics 365 Marketing? For each of the following features, select yes if the feature is available. Otherwise, select no. Feature: create graphical email messages. Statement: yes. Feature: design dynamic content in email messages. Statement: yes. Feature: configure a website for an event. Statement: yes. A company organizes and runs conferences and other events. The company is considering using Dynamics 365 Marketing. The company wants to ensure that they can implement key marketing features without requiring any customizations. Which three capabilities does Dynamics 365 Marketing support using out-of-the-box functionality? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Sponsors and sponsorships. B. Regulatory compliance. C. Advertisers and print media and campaigns. D. Session and speaker tracking. E. Registration and attendance. Correct answer, A, D and E. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. Instructions: for each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Data from Dynamics 365 Customer Voice is available to Dynamics 365 Marketing. Statement: yes. You can present specific survey questions based on responses to previous questions. Statement: yes. A company uses Dynamics 365 Marketing. The company uses a third-party app to send email surveys to prospects to better understand their business needs. There is currently no link to prospect records, and users report that the survey management process is manual and is difficult to manage. You need to automate the survey process and streamline collection and analysis of responses. What are two possible ways to achieve this goal? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Create a survey in Dynamics 365 Marketing and create a campaign to send it to out and collect data. B. Use Customer Voice to collect and analyze survey results. C. Use Power Automate to automatically send customer voice surveys. D. Create surveys in Dynamics 365 Marketing by using questionnaire. E. Use Customer Voice to compile results from the existing third-party app. Correct answer, A and B. A company purchases Dynamics 365 Sales and Dynamics 365 Marketing. The company wants to be able to host webinars and events but is concerned about controlling costs. You need to recommend solutions to meet the company's requirements. Which products should you recommend? To answer, drag the appropriate products to the correct features. Each product may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Requirement: view costs associated with speakers. Product Dynamics 365 Marketing. Requirement: create wait lists for events. Product Dynamics 365 Marketing. Which three capabilities are included in Dynamics 365 Marketing? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Event Management. B. Dynamics 365 Connector for LinkedIn. C. Case Management. D. Qualify Leads. E. Project Quote Management. Correct answer: A, B and D. A company uses Dynamics 365 Marketing. The company wants an automated solution to test 2 email designs before launching the entire email campaign. You need to recommend a solution for the company. What should you recommend? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. What is the automated solution? A/B test. Which testing process is used? Separated emails are simultaneously sent to 2 sample groups. The email with the most response is then sent to the rest of the group. A company uses Dynamics 365 Marketing. You must choose a real-time marketing customer journey type to start the journey. Which 2 journey types you can use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Event-based. B. Audience-based. C. Scheduled. D. Customer onboarding. Correct answer: A and B. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Once prerequisite segments are set up, a customer journey starts by defining the audience. Statement yes. The audience in a customer journey can contain contacts and leads. Statement no. Using a customer journey, an audience member can receive an email immediately after a form is submitted. The audience member can receive another email 1 week later without a separate trigger. Statement yes. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 Sales to manage sales pipelines. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. You can use a business process flow to ensure that all salespeople follow the same stages to qualify leads. Statement yes. You can see leads in your opportunities view even if the lead is not qualified. Statement no. Match each product to its feature. Instructions: to answer, drag the appropriate product from the column on the left to its feature on the right. Each product may be used once, more than once, or not at all. Feature: who knows whom. Product of Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. Feature: quotes. Product of Dynamics 365 Sales. Feature: invoicing. Product of Dynamics 365 Sales. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company plans to use Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. You need to recommend features that meet the requirements. Which feature should you recommend? To answer, drag the appropriate features to the correct requirements. Each feature may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Requirement: keep track of upcoming appointments and commitments. Featured assistant. Requirement: restart a conversation with a customer on a topic of interest. Featured talking points. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 Sales with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You need to determine the controls that you should implement. Which controls should you use? To answer, drag the appropriate controls to the correct requirement. Each control may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Requirements: show potential customer that are similar to the current customer and represent relevant stakeholders. Control LinkedIn Sales Navigator lead. Requirement: show potential leads within a company. Control LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. A customer needs a cost-effective sales solution that can display current news about a lead or an account. You recommend Microsoft Relationship Sales. Which two products are included in Microsoft Relationship Sales? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. B. Dynamics 365 Sales Enterprise. C. Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. D. LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Correct answer, B, D. You are evaluating Dynamics 365 Sales as a potential replacement for your company's existing sales system. What is a lead? To answer, select the appropriate option in the answer area. A Dynamics 365 sales lead is a potential customer to be qualified or disqualified. You are a sales representative for a company. Which Dynamics 365 sales can you use to manage the sales pipeline? A. Turning leads into opportunities. B. Tracking the asset history of a customer. C. Resolving an open case of a customer. D. Tracking service level agreements. Correct answer, A. A company has a Dynamics 365 sales implementation. The company wants to perform the following activities: view LinkedIn information from within Dynamics 365 Sales. Validate Dynamics 365 Sales data by using data from LinkedIn. Which products should you use to perform each task? To answer, drag the appropriate products to the correct tasks. Each product may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Requirement: view LinkedIn information by using a Dynamics 365 form widget. Product: LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Requirement: validate data in Dynamics 365 Sales by using data from LinkedIn. Product: LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Which two Dynamics 365 Sales out-of-the-box features can you use to capture leads? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. A. Emails. B. CSV files. C. Dynamics 365 Commerce. D. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights. Correct answer, A and B. A company wants to be able to give quotes to customers from their parts list. You need to recommend a solution for the company. What should you recommend? A. Dynamics 356 Customer Insights. B. Dynamics 365 Sales. C. Dynamics 365 Marketing. D. Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Correct answer, B.